Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our beginner series. Today, we're delving into the world of greetings. Let's nail down the appropriate times for greetings. We'll learn when to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and even when to bid someone good night. Knowing when to use these greetings adds a touch of politeness to your conversations. In the morning, from sunrise until around noon, it's good morning. Start your day right by greeting others cheerfully. Imagine walking into a room saying good morning with confidence. It's more than a greeting, it's acknowledging someone's presence. Let's transport ourselves to the middle of the day. As the day progresses, from noon until early evening, transition to good afternoon. It's a polite way to acknowledge the midday hours. Bonus point is a bright good afternoon can spark a smile, creating an atmosphere of warmth. As the sun sets, gracefully shift to good evening. This is appropriate from around 6 p.m. onwards. Use it to greet someone in the evening or entering a gathering later in the day. Good evening carries a sense of calmness. It's a simple phrase, yet it brings about peace and tranquility. Now, let's talk about the sweet farewell, good night. This greeting is perfect for signaling the end of the day and wishing someone a restful evening or a good night's sleep. Use good night when parting ways in the evening or before bedtime. It's a warm way to bid someone farewell and spread positive vibes as they wrap up their day. Master these greetings, use them daily, and see how your conversations become more fluid and meaningful. After all, communication is about connection, isn't it? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly language lessons. Until next time, happy learning!